This lesson will serve as an introduction to the Accord Learning Management System's powerful reporting features. Some of the concepts introduced will include learner activity reports and learning content utilization reports, custom report definitions, the dynamic report viewer, drill down reports, and automated report distribution. Let's take a look at those reports. Reports are accessed from the LMS admin menu under Reports. The Accord LMS provides a number of reports which return data pertaining to learner utilization of the learning content. Some of the reports are more learner-oriented, whereas some are oriented more around the learning content itself. For example, this learner activity transcript report with folder detail provides completion status of selected learners and content. We can see here that Daniel has completed the Accord LMS Admin Certification Learning Path along with his scores for each course in the path. The Learning Content Utilization reports focus more on content. For instance, in the Learning Folder Summary report, we can select specific content and view how many learners have completed the content. We'll take a look at the Accord Academy Content Usage Summary. In this report, you can see that we've selected specific content, and we can view how many learners are currently enrolled in the content and what their completion status is at this point. These reports, however, are only the beginning. Each of the standard reports can be customized and saved to a definition for later use. The Accord LMS supports any number of definitions that you find useful. This, in effect, greatly increases the number of reports that are available to your LMS administrators. We can see here that the Learner Activity Transcript report has 3 pre-configured report definitions. One returns results from external learners, one from internal learners, and a third only reports on learners who have been awarded a certificate within the last 30 days. Report definitions can be made available to any LMS administrator with report access permissions. Report definitions will also automatically filter their results based on each individual LMS admin's learner and content access permissions. This means that the same report definition can serve your corporate level stakeholders, your regional managers, and even your local supervisors. This will not only save report creation time, but it will also improve consistency among your reports. Custom report definitions are generally created once for a given set of data and how it's presented. But sometimes you want to change how you view the data on the fly. The Accord Dynamic Report Viewer lets you do just that. You can see that this report returns a lot of data. Now, perhaps I'd like to change how this data is presented. Dragging any column name to the top of the report groups the data by that column, and then I can drag additional columns for additional grouping. For example, if I wanted to group this data by team, I simply drag the column head there, and then let's say I'd like to further group it by username. So now I've grouped this report by teams, and then within the teams I've grouped the data by learners. Now I can easily see the status for each learner in the team. We'll cover more features of the Dynamic Report Viewer later in this course. Some reports include blue highlighted links. These links allow you to drill down into the data to get a more detailed view. For example, I can see that Fernando passed the course using learning roles with a 92% score. If I click on View in the LE Details column, the system will drill down into a new report showing all of the learning elements within the course and any scores that he earned on quizzes or other graded learning activities. Now you'll notice that the score is now a blue link. Clicking on the score will drill down into another report that shows how he answered each question. I can quickly identify the one question that Fernando missed on the quiz. Each report definition can be scheduled for any number of deliveries. For example, this report will be sent to supervisors on a weekly basis. Remember that they'll only see the learners and learning content that they have permissions to view. The report will also be sent directly to the senior executives on a monthly basis. The rest of the lessons in this course will demonstrate in detail how to use each of the features that we've highlighted in this overview. Thanks for watching.